Hey guys, my name is xOctoManx and this is the introduction video for my upcoming tutorial series of how to create a quest system. This is a Patreon supported video series, so if you have any requests and stuff in the future and you want to support me and my channel for some awesome videos about Unity and everything around that, feel free to donate on patreon.com/xOctoManx and become my Patreon and we will do some stuff together. Okay, so let me introduce the quest system I was creating for one of my Patreons. So what I can do is, or what at first you can see, there is a exclamation mark, and this is going to tell you, hey, there is a quest on this guy. So those red guys over here are my NPC characters, and once I'm close enough, I will be able to talk to them. This guy don't have any quest at the moment for us, so we get a debug line in here, no quest available. We can later on also pop out any message on this guy or whatever you are going to expect, and he can tell you how nice the weather is. And the other guy, which has the exclamation mark, we can talk to him with a space bar, and this quest panel will open up. And we have two quests to select from. At the moment you can add a lot of quests. So what's the quest in this is, hey, that's your first quest to complete. So what you have to do is you need to leave the town once. And we can click on that, and as you can see, it will automatically say, hey, this is acceptable. So we can click on that select button, and when we are pressing the Q button, this is going to be our quest panel or quest log, you can see we have one available quest in here, no buttons or anything, and we can see the hint of that particular quest, which says, hey, just leave the town and come back. And again, here's the status of the current quest. We can also go in and take the second quest, which is enemy trouble 1. So that means the enemies are overwhelming, and make sure that we are decreasing the numbers, and we need to kill enemy 1 at least once. So we accept that quest too, but as you can see, I can still talk to this guy, even if he don't have that exclamation mark on him or on his own, because he has a running quest, which is enemy trouble 1. We can also go over and give up that quest, so we can retake that quest later on if we don't have the time or don't like to do that right now or whatever, or the rewards are not what we are expecting. Then we can go over and kill that. Also, if we are pressing Q again, we can see both of those quests are readable or available. What I also can do is right now is, since that guy needs to take the Hello World quest for later quests, for example, we can also go in and give up the quest. But we can see the hint on this guy right now, because he will take the quest back. And we can just say, okay, leave the town and come back. So what we are doing, we leave the town and go in back. What you now can see, he's have that question mark. And what we can do now is we can talk to him once again. We can select the running quest world, since this is going to be the one we are able to complete. And of course the button says, hey, complete this quest, because you have left the town at least once. You completed your first quest, pretty cool, and we complete. Also, what you can see right now is we have unlocked another quest, because we just delivered that quest. And this is another walking test, for example, where it says, hey, leave the town 5 times, because you don't know how to walk, or it seems to be. So what we can do is we can also go in and accept that, and of course give that quest up, and so on and so forth. This guy still have enemy in trouble. So let's get in and out, and in and out, and in and out. And as you can see, this guy now has another question mark where we can talk to him and say, hey, we want to complete our quest. Okay, so for possible rewards later on, we need inventory system first, and something where we can get a EXP, for an example, or any coins and stuff. So when you have that already in your game, you can easily import or use the possible rewards and pass them over to wherever your coins or reward system or inventory system is. And once we have, we can complete this quest, and then we don't have any access to that quest anymore. Same for this guy, we still have only the enemy in trouble, because the other 2 quests are already done. So what we can also do is we go into that small area in here, and we want to fight enemy 1. And here we have 2 enemy ones, so we go over and just attack them. And once we have killed at least one, we will send that info to our quest manager in the scene, and he will know then, okay, great, he already has at least killed one enemy. We do that all in the dead state, of course, of the enemy, and then we can go back to the town, and you can see the question mark is here, and we can say enemy in trouble. He says, yeah, we have 1 of 1 completed, and we can complete the quest. So, and that is basically the whole system. We have the possibility to do everything we can mention. We can collect any items, I don't know, collect 100 whatever, 100 beans, or I don't know, or kill 20 goblins, or we can also just talk to each other, or just leave a town, activate any kind of collider, or I don't know, or go close to another thing, or go into one house, and in there might be another NPC which is already taken that quest back from you, so you can talk to everyone in your whole scene, for example, in your whole town, and can create long chain quests, since you have the possibility to unlock quests after you have completed another quest, as you have seen already. And yeah, that's pretty much everything I will go over and cover in the upcoming quest tutorials or quest system series. Of course, later on I will make sure that you are able to purchase the quest system once it's out, and so you don't have to do all the coding, because it's going to be a lot of stuff. There will be a lot of videos in the future about the quest system. I don't know how many, but yeah, that will be a quite long series. So feel free to become my Patreon too, and support me on my channel in the future, or just for that moment, or I don't know, or while that series is on or not, or if you have any special requests you want to get delivered to the next month, for example, then yeah, just feel free to donate, and I will go into that. And will show how I would just do or create such systems. So if you like that, feel free to thumb this video up, and so on and so forth. See you in the next, or actually in that tutorial series. Bye bye.